So hi guys, for today's video we're going to Papa's farm. Ano, okay ba ka mo? Pagal pa di. Masyadong arayo ulit guys. Mountain. Arilan darata dapat ante.
Itong cellphone ba? Ay,
Itong stick. Ano? Okay ka pa? Arayo ang ibigay.
kaya kung maabot sa duwag ako ng buko. Di wala ang lila.
Pagal na siya guys.
Ay,
Pick the fruit. So what she is eating is cacao from cacao tree. Hi CJ, you say hi. Hi, welcome to our vlog.
chipmunks nga lugod ako.
Say hi, Rod.
Ah?
So we are in the mountain, guys. It's beautiful here.
Amisong?
Alin po si Jay? It's going to take Buko, guys. Buko is over here in the middle. What's that?
That's
You find that?
yeah, I found that here.
It's a cassava tree. Wow.
And
Did
the-
you see,
The
guys?
the worms eat that. The worms eat that now.
Really? Pahingalo muna, pahingalo. Buka ko palang view na. View na sa kapangitan ba? So nag-aapot kung ano ni. Bukayo.
Lagoon to.
Lagun man tayo.
We're chilling.
Oh my God!
Yung ano?
Go, Mom.
for today, guys. We're going back again. CJ is doing piggyback. We're doing piggyback with CJ. Now we're going home. We're going home now. Because it's finished the journey here, going to the mountain. Bye! See you on our next vlog. Peace.